Hey there, I'm going to show you how to import cryptocurrency market cap data into Google Sheets. And for this example, we're going to use the Coingecko API. So there's many different APIs you can use to do this, crypto APIs. But for this example, we're going to try the Coingecko API. So if you go to coingecko.com and under resources, if you click crypto API, and then scroll down and look for the endpoint that you want. For example, you mentioned that you want market cap. So we can see here under coins, there's a endpoint called /coin/markets, which lists all coins, price, market cap, volume, etc. So if we click on that one, and then right here next to parameters, we click try it out. And then the only parameter that's required is this one with the red asterisk, VS currency. So it says for this parameter, you can put your currency of choice. And in my case, I'm going to put USD. So that's still the only one required, but you can also play around with these other parameters, like, for example, category. You can filter by coin category. And then once you have all the parameters that you want, again, the only one that's required is this currency one, then you click execute. And then now we see the URL that we want to plug into Apipheny. So we want to make sure that we have Apipheny open in our Google Sheet. And as we saw next to the API endpoint, it says get. So at the top of Apipheny, where it says method, we want to make sure it also says get. And then scrolling back down to right here, under execute, we can see the URL that we want to use right here. So this https api.coingecko.com/api/v3/coins/markets with the VS currency parameter. We want to copy and paste that whole thing into Apipheny where it says API URL path. And then right here where it says H, those are the headers. So in Apipheny, you can see that there is a section for headers, and that's what this H is right here. So the header that we need to add is accept application JSON. So the first part of the header is the key, which is the stuff before the colon. In our case is accept. You can see right here before the colon it says accept. And then after the colon it says application JSON. So we need to copy and paste the stuff after the colon into the value of the header. And then we can click run. And you'll see all of the cryptocurrency listings come in. So now we have the crypto name, we have the current price, the market cap rank. So your goal was to calculate the total market cap. So what you can do is either in this sheet, you can sum all of the market caps together to get the current total market cap, or you can use a formula like import range to import this data to a second sheet where you can manipulate the data in a second sheet so that you don't have to deal with all of the other columns. I don't know if there is an API. I don't know if you can do it with the Coingecko API or a different API, whether there's an endpoint that just imports the market cap as a total sum by itself. Perhaps you want to look at the Coin Market Cap API to do that. But this was just a quick example of how you can get some market cap data in with the Coingecko API. So we don't have a Coingecko tutorial on our website right now, but we do have tutorials for the Binance API, the BitMEX API, the CoinMarketCap API, and the Coin API, which is another cryptocurrency API. And you can find all of those under Learn API Integration Tutorials. You'll find all of our integration tutorials, including Coin API and CoinMarketCap API, if you want to learn more. All right, hope that helps, and have a good day.